Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share slip chain. Okay? Basically this is my take on a shooting card, especially shoot the card from the bottom. Okay, and then this is how to do it. Now all you do, okay, you take your deck and slide the bottom card, okay, like this, okay. And after that, all you do, use your pinky and your thumb, okay, your pinky, press the card like this until it's bent, okay, until it's bent. And after that you just release with your thumb. Okay, so when you release with your thumb like this, the card will shoot out. Okay, so one more time, remember, just slide like this, okay, bend it. Okay, now of course you can do it like this, shoot, okay, slide, bend and shoot. Okay, this one time, here, bend it and shoot. Okay, and this is the only thing you need for this color change, and I hope you take time to practice this move. And to do the color change, all you do, okay, you must turn over the bottom card, okay, like this, so you shoot it with the face up position. Okay, so after that, just take any card and put it on the table like this. Okay, for that, secretly, remember, you just slide the bottom card, okay, and bend it like this. Okay, so this is your position. Okay, for that, you whip the deck on top of this table card, and once your deck reach above uh, this card, all you do is just shoot the bottom card. Okay, here, come, shoot like this. Okay, the main point of this chain is the flow. Okay, it's look like you're gonna reach this card but you miss, so the card is a slip away like this here, so the card is slip away. Okay, and that's why I call this a slip chain. Okay, so here, okay, remember, slide like this, okay, come, shoot like so. Okay, so one more time. Okay, just turn over, okay, the bottom card like this, take any card, put it right here, okay, on the table. Remember, slide like this. Okay, come, remember, come and shoot. So that you can take this card, okay, it's completely clean, and you can display it like this. Okay, that's it guys, that's the slip chain. Okay, that's a need of practice, but it's worth it.